Hi everyone, my name is Reddy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am at Walkathon organized by Manipal Hospital, Kanipura Road. This event is called Think Stride and this is used to spread awareness on breast cancer. In this video, we will cover complete event for you. We will gain more knowledge on breast cancer and importance of its awareness. Let's begin. Guys, we can see the crowd, how well they have organized. This is the counter where they're distributing the t-shirts for everyone. Thank you for sir. Hi sir, may I know good name?
Pradeep.
Hi Pradeep, it's been fantastic to see such a wonderful event. You have been doing a great job. You want to say something?
It was very good for doing this camp. I'm very so excited and I'm very happy to distribute t-shirts and all.
I'm so happy that we are a part of Manipal Kanakpura and we are getting an awareness of breast cancer. So we wanted to do it. So I'm so happy that you people are a part of this Manipal.
Thank you so much for such a wonderful words. Can you just share motivation that event is very important?
Why? Because when we started this hospital, we all get in same respect, whatever the employees or the patients which we are getting it. So I am so happy that I am a part of this.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Hey, hi Asha, how are you?
Good.
It's nice to see you early morning. I want to share something about this event, any special that you feel?
Yeah, it is a basic awareness which has to be shared with all the people. So this is a very good initiative taken by Manipal Hospital, Kanakpura Road. So request everyone to be a part of it and support us in this initiative.
ಹಾಯ್ ಅರುಣ್ ಸರ್, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಗುಡ್ ಸರ್, ಗುಡ್ ಸರ್. ಈ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಬಯಸ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್?
ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೋಣಕುಂಟೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದೊಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇವೆಂಟು. ಈ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು 6 ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ 3 ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋರ್ಗೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಏನಿದೆ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೊಂದು ಗುಡ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್. ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ
ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಜಗದಬ್ಬ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಸೂಪರ್, ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್
ಮೇಡಮ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೋಡಿ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಇವತ್ತು. ಮೇಡಮ್, ಈ ಇವೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್?
ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದೇ. ಇದು ಜನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಭಯ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಥರ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಅರಿವು ಮೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಭಯ ಹೋಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಥರನೇ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಮಗೇನು ಭಯ ಪಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಇದನ್ನು ಕಂಡಿಡಿದು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಗುಣ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅವರಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಭಯ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜನ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಡೆ ಮುಖ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆವಾಗ ನಾವು ಈ ರೋಗನ ಹೋಗಲಾಡ್ಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೇನು ಬೇಕೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ, ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೋಡಿ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮೇಡಮ್. ಇದೇ ಥರ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇರಲಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಖಂಡಿತ ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕರ ಸೇವೆಗೆ ಸಿದ್ಧವಾಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ.
Tejasvi sir, we request you to please light the lamp and start this occasion in a grand manner. Dear doctors, kindly join us.
नमोस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापम् सन्ध्यादीपनमोस्तुते.
I would request Mr. Mohan Hariharan, who's the director of Manipal Hospital, Kanakpura Road, to introduce this wonderful gathering who's on stage and start the program.
Good morning, Manipal Hospital, Kanakpura Road. Thank you so much, all of you, for coming and making this a great morning. Thank you so much. Pleasure having Mr. Tejasvi Surya, the Member of Parliament of South Bengaluru. Sir, you have made this occasion very, very special for us. I'm sure we are all assembled here for one common purpose: work for the women, give them the awareness that prevention of breast cancer is much possible by timely screening of yourself. That's a theme of this entire program: awareness towards breast cancer. Sir is having a very, very tight schedule, but still he consented and has come over here. On behalf of the entire Manipal family and all of us over here, a big thank you to you, sir, for coming here, and welcome on board. We have a wonderful team of oncologists here in Manipal Hospital, Kanakpura Road. Dr. Monica, who is a breast cancer surgeon. Welcome, madam. Dr. Poonam Patil, I think one of the veterans in Onco Care. She works in Manipal Hospital, Old Airport Road. Welcome, madam. Welcome, Dr. Nitin Yashas, again a young Turk in Onco Care. Welcome, Dr. Nitin, sir. Srivalli madam is also a medical onco specialist. Welcome on board, madam. Dr. Sachin is our radiation onco specialist. Welcome, sir. And we have Dr. Girish. He is also a radiation oncologist. Welcome, sir. And Dr. Kshitija madam, who has put all the doctors over here in one umbrella. Thank you, madam. Welcome. And I also have Dr. Rashmi Sanjay, who is the hospital director of Manipal Hospital, Malti Manipal Hospital. Welcome, madam. Please welcome on board here. And all the dignitaries over here. The wonderful team from Runaddicts who has brought a lot of people over here. Thank you, Runaddicts, for bringing your team over here. Thank you to Rotary Club, RR Nagar. Thank you so much for bringing your Rotarians over here to participate. And the wonderful nursing students from various nursing colleges who are here. You are the guys who are holding the entire fort here of hospitals to work with. Thank you to the nursing team once again. Thank you so much. And last but not the least, my fellow colleagues, the Manipalites at Manipal Hospital, Kanakpura Road, and the wonderful consultants at Manipal Hospital, Kanakpura Road. Thank you so much. Welcome. Let's make a great beginning over here. Thank you.
I would also like to welcome on stage Mr. Mohan, who's part of the Runaddicts team and the large crowd here. Welcome, sir. I would also like to invite on stage Mr. Sridhar, District Governor, Rotary Club. And we also would like to welcome Dr. Akshata, who's our hemato-oncologist. Welcome, madam.
Thank you, Dr. Samya. I welcome you all on behalf of Manipal Hospital, Kanakpura Road, for this wonderful gathering, which we named it as Pink Stride. This is an event basically to raise awareness for breast cancer. I am Monica Pansari, a surgical oncologist specializing in breast and gynec cancer surgeries, and I really honored and privileged to welcome our chief guest, Shri Tejasvi Surya ji. Despite having a very, very busy schedule, he has given us some time and he's here with us. It definitely strengthens our collaborative, collective mission to raise awareness for breast cancer, the event for which we all have gathered here. As you all are aware, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, celebrated internationally. The reason being, breast cancer has become the most common cancer in women, and most distressing for all of us is that we are seeing younger and younger women coming with the breast cancer, being diagnosed with breast cancer. As early as in 20s, we are seeing patients being diagnosed with cancer. So that is why it is very important to be aware, know about what breast self-examination is, what are the preventive measures, maintain active healthy lifestyle, and follow the screening protocols for early detection. What are those screening protocols? I'll not go much into the details. Learn about breast self-examination. All women above the age of 40 should undergo annual breast mammogram, screening mammogram. And early detection always helps us cure the cancer, save lives. We have seen women who have been detected with breast cancer early. They can be completely cured. They can live happy, healthy, fulfilling lives. And breast cancer is something which is easily detectable, preventable, and also completely cured if picked up early. In Manipal Hospital, we have a compassionate cancer care as a comprehensive cancer team. Dr. Mohan has already introduced our cancer team to all of you. We have got a huge team, highly skilled doctors, chemo nurses who are very trained nurses, take care of the patients very well. And also our unit is a brand new unit with with all the advanced technologies all under one roof for cancer care. And we have been treating our patients for last 5 to 6 months, and most of our patients are healthy and happy patients. And I would say cancer treatment is just not about surgery, chemotherapy or radiation. They need a lot of psychological support, emotional support, and we do have a support group called Sakhi, and most of our patients are part of that support group where they do discuss there about small silliest doubts about treatment and help each other during their treatment journey. Many of the patients are those who have finished the treatment long time ago and they are ready to give them the psychological support. And towards the end, I would say 3 take-home messages: always be breast aware, learn breast self-examination, follow screening protocols, and if diagnosed, do not worry, come to us. Together we can fight this battle, and we have a huge comprehensive cancer team with the latest technologies, robotic surgeries, and everything under one roof. Thank you all. So we do have few patients who are brave enough to come forward to all of you and share their treatment experience.
ನನ್ನ ಅನುಭವವನ್ನು ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಇಚ್ಛಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನನಗೆ ಬ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ನಾನು 15 ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಗೆಡ್ಡೆಯನ್ನು ಪತ್ತೆ ಹಚ್ಚಿ ಮೋನಿಕಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಸಲಹೆಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು ಅವರ ಸಲಹೆ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾನು ಆಪರೇಷನನ್ನು ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 4ಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಈಗ 2 ತಿಂಗಳಾಯಿತು. ನಾನು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನಗೆ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕೆಮೊಥೆರಪಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮೋನಿಕಾ ಮೇಡಮ್.
My name is Bharti and I have been the patient of Dr. Srivalli, and I was diagnosed with HER2 positive cancer of my left breast, and the day they told me, my whole world came down. The 50th birthday gift was this only: HER2 positive breast cancer. So you can imagine, the word cancer made my family fall down, but I have to say that the doctors and my family, my friends, they were the ones who stood by me during all the pain I would undergo. It was really very hard, and taking a chemotherapy, I was given a long list of treatment. Others, there are varieties of cancers. In breast cancer, I was detected with HER2 positive, and that treatment is for 1.5 years. So Jan 2024, I was detected, and March I completed, to 2025 March, I completed my treatment, and today I'm here right in front of you. I thank the doctors and my husband, my children, and who really underwent a trauma. But I had to undergo 6 chemos and targeted therapies before, and then a surgery, and then again a radiation for 20 days, and then again 11 targeted therapies. You can imagine how painful it would have been. But I didn't lose my hope. All the doctors said that there is nothing. You can and you will do it. And that support what I got, I have always been a very positive girl, and I've been a guide captain, I've been in NCC, I have been a school teacher. So with all these things, everybody's support, I'm here. But the family's support, I tell you, the most important. So I would like to request all of you, the ladies especially, be aware, as everyone over here have mentioned. I'm very grateful to Dr. Srivalli. Thank you so much. Today, if I'm here, it's only because of her. Thanks so much once again. Thank you.
Thank you, Bharti. It's not just me. I think it's been the whole team, the whole hospital, oncologists, family, her children. She's been a great teacher, and she continues to spread awareness.
So I just want to make it keep it very short. So as Dr. Monica said, breast evaluation is very important. I had fibroids. I had few fibroids in my breast, which I was getting screened on time to time. And when I was screening, I found a new lump. So I was thinking that was also just a normal fibroid. So, but still it was kind of growing day to day. So I was kind of confused. So when we reached out to Manipal Hospital, they guided us to Dr. Monica Pansari, who took us to a proper treatment. She explained us as to at what stage what will happen and what treatment will be given. So with that, I am in line of getting cured. Still few more months to go, but yes, I know I will get cured with the support of with the support of Manipal Hospital and obviously my husband and my family. Without them, so what I can tell you all is self-evaluation. That's point number 1. Points number 2 is try to be positive. I know everybody says be positive, but one step at a time. That's how we go. Please don't Google. Each person is different. Each person's symptom is different. So that's the reason why I'm saying, because I know the first symptom when they said chemotherapy is you will have a weight loss, but I had an opposite one. Every 2 hours I was hungry. So I was like, is it something a side effect of chemotherapy? Because that is not what is shown in Google. It is happening different to me. Stop Googling, listen to your doctor and nobody else.
Hello everyone, good morning. Yeah, my brave wife, Swati, she could survive for 13 years with me. Of course, cancer is not a big thing for her. And now she gets emotional looking at all the support. All I would like to say is thanks to everyone in Manipal Kanakpura Hospital for supporting us. Of course, I've been there, but Dr. Monica Pansari and her entire team, they've always been there to support us. 250,000 questions, all of them answered. Thank you all, and thank you, Doctor.
Today I stand before you not just as a speaker, but as a survivor, a mother, a wife, and a woman whose life was forever changed by a battle of malignant phylloid, a rare type of breast cancer. My heart is full of gratitude, and my story is one of fear transformed into courage, despair into hope, and a journey that I pray I will inspire each of you to listen to your body and act with urgency. 6 months into the bliss of motherhood, as I cradled my newborn son, I felt a lump while breastfeeding. First, a doctor brushed it off as a blocked milk duct, a common occurrence for a nursing mother. But deep down, something didn't feel right. That lump began to grow fast, and with it grew a quiet fear that gripped my heart. My husband and I refused to ignore it. We can't wait, he said. His voice was steady but resolute. And so began a search for answers, for the best care, for a chance to reclaim our future. That search led us to Dr. Monica Pansari, a breast cancer specialist whose reputation for excellence shone like beacon of hope. Her hospital was 30 kilometers away, but my husband's words echoed in my mind: distance doesn't matter. We need the best. The moment we met Dr. Monica Pansari, I felt an overwhelming sense of relief. Her warmth, her confidence, her compassion, they were a lifeline in our storm. Just speaking with her felt like the first step. The tumor was large, the situation urgent, but Dr. Monica didn't flinch. With precision and care, she crafted a treatment, explaining every step with clarity and kindness. Her expertise gave me courage, and her compassion gave me strength. The surgery was success, and today I stand here fit, alive, and whole because of her skill and, I believe, God's grace. A remarkable woman named Devika, with her kindness and dedication, ensured that the billing process at Manipal Hospital Kanakpura goes seamless and affordable. And the entire team at Manipal Hospital Kanakpura, they gave her a place where healing wasn't just a possibility but a promise, a light in the darkness and saved life. Thank you all.
Ishtina Josho. Namaskara. Awesome. Thank you, sir. I'm so happy that we all got an opportunity to listen to all of these survivors. ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಅದೇ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸರ್ವೈವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದರಿಂದ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಕಲಿಯುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದೋಸ್ ಹೂ ಕೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಪೋಕ್, ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಅ ಹೆಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರೇಜ್ ಟು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಡೂ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಐ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆನ್ ಬಿಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು, ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಹೀರೋಸ್ ಹೂ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಎಜುಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಸ್, ಸ್ಪೋಕ್ ಟು ಅಸ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅನುಭವ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೇಷನ್, ಸರ್ವೈವಲ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನನಗೆ
most of my days, the day is never in my control. ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರೈಸಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮು ಅದು ಇದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರತ್ತೆ. ನೆನ್ನೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯತೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೋನಿಕಾ ಅವರು ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಅವ್ರ ಟೀಮ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ದಿವಸ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಸ್, ಐ ಥಾಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು, ಬಿ ವಿತ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು. Doctor, thank you so much for organizing this. I have only 2-3 requests to all of you. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ವೈವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Until health becomes a problem, you have so many other problems. But when health becomes a problem, it's the only problem. So it's important that we focus on our health. ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ. ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮರಿ ಇನ್ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ, ನಾಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಬಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ರಿಲೈ ಆನ್ ಅಸ್. ನಾವು ಆಸ್ ಅ ಫಾದರ್, ಆಸ್ ಅ ಮದರ್, ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸನ್, ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾಗಿರೋ ಒಂದು ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟು ಬಿ ಆಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಆಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಲೇ ಇರೋವಂಥದ್ದು. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಬಟ್ whatever I have tried to understand about this, at least 80 to 85% of controllables are in your control. ನೀವೇನ್ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಅನ್ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಪುಟ್ ಆನ್ ಆಗದಲೇ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಫುಡ್ಸ್ ತಿನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪನಾದ್ರೂ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಲೇ ಇದೆ. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಓನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು 10-15% ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಲಿ ಇರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಲೈಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೋರ್ ಕೆರಿಯರ್, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೋರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಆ 15% ಇವೆಂಚುಯಾಲಿಟೀಸ್ಗೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸು, ಮೋನಿಕಾ ಅಂತವ್ರು, ಶ್ರೀವಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತವ್ರು, ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅಂತವ್ರು, ಆ 15% ಇನ್ಎವಿಟಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಯಾವ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತೆ ದೇವ್ರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ದ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ 85% ವಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅವರ್ ಓನ್. ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇದೇ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು HPV ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿವೆಂಟಬಲ್. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಇವತ್ತಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ HPV ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ತಿಳಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂತ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ HPV ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಆ ವಿಮೆನ್ ಇನ್ ಸಚ್ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇದೆರಡೂ ಕೂಡ early detection and vaccination will go a long way in preventing it. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಮೇಕ್. ಇದರ ಉಪಯೋಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವತ್ತೋ ಇವೆಂಚುಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವೇನ್ 15,000 20,000 ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಕಟ್ತೀರಾ ಅದು ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಅದು ಉಪಯೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ದಲೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು. ಬಟ್ ಯಾವತ್ತೋ ಉಪಯೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸೇವ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡೇ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಪರಿಚಯದವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೂ ಅಡಿಕ್ವೇಟ್ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಆನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯು ಅಂಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ನೆವರ್ ಬೀನ್ ಅ ಬೆಟರ್ ಟೈಮ್.
2, 3, Manipal Hospital, Kanakpura Road.
Hi, good morning. I'm Dr. Bhuvana. She's Dr. Madhuri. We both are dentists.
Oh, that's
We
nice
are very
to see
happy
you.
to be here this morning.
It's been great to meet you. I just thought you were a participant.
We are a participant.
Sure. It's been really nice to meet such a wonderful event. Could you share us what exactly is this all about? The event is all about.
Okay, breast cancer, most common among women, of course. Most common, easily detectable, easily preventable, and if caught early, can be cured as well. So that is very important. So that
nice
is why we are here.
That's super, ma'am.
First is awareness. This is an excellent opportunity for creating awareness among the public,
Super.
okay, at all ages, so that you can call young girls and get them aware. And the entire family, you see so many men here because they want to carry that awareness to their families as well. Okay, so that is the one I think that's brought everybody here at
I can see, ma'am, there is a huge crowd, right?
Yeah, there's a huge
you
crowd
could see
and it gets us, it's nice.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Please.
I'm Dr. Madhuri.
Yes.
So we both are colleagues and we came across this among our WhatsApp groups. Yeah, so breast cancer, like you know, it's very common and irrespective of age, it starts affecting. People have a general notion and tendency to think that it will happen, you know, it will occur in women only post menopause, say post 40 years, but that isn't true.
Yeah.
So
With our changing lifestyles,
Yeah.
very early. So you have to be aware and
irrespective of age, breast cancer can happen. Like with the lifestyle that people are leading and lack of exercise and all that. So the probably more exposure to fast food and all the air pollution, Bangalore traffic, a lot of factors. So and hormonal changes, stress levels, lot of these. So people should be more aware. They probably detect cancer, breast cancer in stage 2 or stage 3. But if you get routine screening done, screening test done, there is a specific antigen for breast cancer. If you can, you know, include it in your health packages as a part of your screening tests, you can detect it much early.
Much early.
And you can even get to know about it before you get cancer. Like there is a scoring.
Yeah.
If you get a higher score for that particular antigen, your probability of getting a breast cancer is higher. So you need to be aware of all that. Probably we'll get to know more once the official people start talking. So
Sure, ma'am. But it's been so informative.
Yes, we should definitely fight against this. We should try to eliminate this from our society. India is the cancer capital of, you know, like India is the cancer capital. Like just like how it is the diabetes capital.
Okay.
Yes, a lot of cancer cases in India. So we need to fight against this.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It has been very pleasure. No, you just
And, exercise is considered the best way to fight against any form of cancer.
That's nice. That's nice.
Moderating your stress levels. Don't succumb to you know, like this metro life. Keep yourself healthy. I mean, I should also follow that. At the same time.
That's nice, ma'am. That's
Thank
nice,
you.
ma'am. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Have a nice day.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶ್ರೀವಲ್ಲಿ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಚೇತನಕ್ಕೆ We are very happy to have all of you. I think we have people every single day. They have tiny thoughts, very elderly people who have come with a family, cancer champions. This is not just a slide or a walk, but it is we are wanting to spread awareness. Everybody is breast aware. As October is breast cancer awareness month, women, if we see the most common cancer, industrially after cancer, breast cancer, ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ ತಿಂಗಳು ಬ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ತಿಂಗಳಾದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. early detection, because early detection saves lives. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಯಾರು 40 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದ್ದಾರೆ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಯಾರಿಗಾದರೂ ಅವರಿಗೆ 10 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಲು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಿಂದಲೇ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗಸರು ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಬ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೇರೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು very good lifestyle, like all these people have, and I'm also inspired by that.
We have been very truly hardly saying it's been very fantastic to join such a good event.
Yes, and I know you make the awareness and what you see, the motivation from you to walk and spread awareness. Good quality of life, adequate, balanced life, optimal weight, avoiding habits, and be aware, spread awareness to everyone. Let's get connected early. Please the message from this doctor. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It's been very fantastic day. Have a wonderful day. Everyone, namaskara. Thank you so much. You know, such a wonderful event, especially the organizers. Right, it's been very fantastic.
It is very important that we take our necessary steps as a preventive measure. As we know, hesitation time saves 9.
Yes.
So the steps taken today to self-examination without hesitation will give a long life for yourself and to your family. I think awareness programs like this are very helpful to spread the awareness in a country like us, where These things are not taught in our primary schools. Thank you.
Hi, good morning. I am physical medicine and rehabilitation consultant, Manipal Hospital, Kanakpura. So I want to highlight just one line regarding breast cancer or any disease. Early identification and intervention is the game changer. That's nice way. Yeah. And, regarding like information, so Manipal Hospital's website and today's event, there will be the information about breast cancer and evaluation and how to approach doctor and what is the course if you get diagnosed with the breast cancer. But this World Health Organization website also, if you just Google it, there is a atlas for breast cancer evaluation or how to self-examine and identify. There is one separate option there. I just saw it. Atlas of breast self-examination. Okay. The public can search it and just study.
Go through
It
that
is
and
available
online. Thank you so much. It's been very informative. Have a great day, sir.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Dr. Monica Pansari, a cancer surgeon specializing mainly in breast and gynecological cancer. I work in Manipal Hospital, Kanakpura Road. We are a brand new hospital. We have organized a huge walkathon called Pink Stride. This is basically to create awareness for breast cancer. October is considered as International Breast Cancer Awareness Month, where we perform various activities for creating awareness for breast cancer. So today, more than 2,500 people have gathered here participating in the event, and we are teaching them the benefit of early detection, what screening is, how to prevent any disease or cancer happening, cancer in early stages, what are the screening protocols, all of these things we have communicated to the huge crowd gathered here. Thank you all. Be breast aware, do screening, learn breast self-examination, and if there's any symptom, never ignore it. Go and meet an oncologist, an expert, and get yourself treated. Together, we can always win this battle. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank
May I know name?
Rizwan.
Hey, hi Rizwan.
Hello.
It's nice to see you brought your kid.
Yeah, actually whenever we go for some events, he also joins. But this turned out to be very early.
That's nice to know. What is name?
His name is Izan.
Hey, hi Izan. How are you?
My name is Shukapa Chakraborty.
Okay, it's nice to see you at this event. You brought your kid also. What's your name? How are you enjoying this event?
Yes, we are enjoying a lot, and this is her first marathon, her walkathon.
That's nice to know.
Thank you.
Did you get the impact and useful of this particular event?
Of course, I mean this kind of event should happen on regular basis, so that people will get to know what exactly this kind of cancer is, how to treat them, so it is needed. Yeah.
Super. Nice talking to you, ma'am.
Thank
Have
you.
a great run.
Yeah.
Thank you. Hello, ma'am. Nice to see you.
Thank you.
It's a good event. How do you feel today?
Oh, I feel I am one of them. And at this age also I came all the way, so I think I am supposed to be proud of this.
Thank you so much for
Good initiative.
Yeah, thank you. Hey, hi Ramnathan. How are you?
I am good.
Good. How do you feel today?
Oh, great.
Are
To
you?
hear the stories of so many survivors and so many brave people.
It's nice. So, are you getting the cause of this event?
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. I think
Cancer awareness.
Yeah. Thank you. Do you want to share something on this to the
let
people?
I am Shobha. Yeah, this is a very great way of inspiring people, especially women, to come forward and get themselves checked. So this is really great. I am feeling very happy today to be a part of this event.
Super, ma'am. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank
Good
you.
run too.
Hi, Sula. Hi. Yeah, hi, Sula.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಇವೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್? ರಿಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆ ತಿಳಿತಾ ಮೇಡಮ್? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ?
ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ
ಹಾ,
ಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಆದವರೆಲ್ಲ.
ಸೊ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. ಮೇಡಮ್ ನೀವು ಬನ್ನಿ. ಮೇಡಮ್
ಆಶಾ ಅಂತ.
ಆಶಾ ಅವರೇ,
ನಾನು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಪೂರ್ಣಪ್ರಜ್ಞಲ್ ದಿ ಬ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್. ಐ ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್.
super ma'am. At this age you have been very encouraging.
Yes, I am 67. I still want to. I was telling my sister I want to go for 10K.
Super. It's been fantastic to know that. Super. Yes ma'am, your name ma'am?
ನಾನು ಆಶನ್ ತಂಗಿ ಮಾಲಾ. ಯೋಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎರಡು ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟವಾಗಿರೋದು. ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಈಗಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಇವಳ ಮಕ್ಕನ ಮಗಳು, ಇವಳಿಂದಾಗಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿರೋದು. ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಪಡೀರಿ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಸೆ.
Nice ma'am, you have done a great job actually.
I want my mothers all three. She is my mother, they are my children mothers.
भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय.
Chalo dance.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಅಂತ.
ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಂಬುಲೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಏನ್ ಅನ್ಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
ಸರ್ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲಿಂದ ಈವೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಖುಷಿನೇ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಏನು ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋ ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಶಾಪ್ಗಳೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸುಧಾ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಇದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಇವಾಗಿನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಇದಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ನಮ್ದು
ಸರ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನೀವು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೂ ಸುಧಾ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
What we had. Would you like to say anything at last, before closing our video?
Hi, Reddy. Thanks, many thanks for calling me for today's event. You are the one who actually told me to register, and it was actually a great event and a great run for the cause, and really a good atmosphere and refreshing, and a lot of knowledge gained on the awareness of breast cancer. So please subscribe and like this channel and wait for more videos and more information on a lot many things. Thank you, Rishi.
Thank you, Vinny. It's been such a wonderful work. See you next time. We are at the end of the event. We can feel that how doctors, the guests, and even the organizers have showed up together and made it very successful and given a message that all can come together and make a big difference in the community. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos, please stay tuned to the YouTube channel. Next week, I'll meet you with a new event. Please stay connected. Thank you.